This big boy slept for 12 hours last night. He's gonna be 7 months old tomorrow. Good eating. What are we gonna do today? You wanna help mommy decorate for Christmas? Yeah, let's decorate for Christmas today. Hello and welcome to a fun, exciting Christmassy themed vlog. I'm so excited to get things going this morning. Jet is actually napping, so I'm gonna make the most of this time. Up some nice Christmassy music and make myself a nice Christmassy coffee. First I have to dig out my Christmas mugs, which I don't know where those are, but we're gonna find them. I've got the tree lit. We actually put the tree up the other day because we had to go get a new one. I'll try inserting a picture here, but last year we were just moving in here, so we didn't set up much for Christmas other than the tree. And when we plugged it in, half of the lights were burnt out, so we got a new tree this year, and I wanted to actually set it up just to make sure that I like the texture and the color of the lights and everything. So we got that up, but I'm excited to sprinkle little bits of Christmas throughout the rest of the house. So I'm gonna set up the music, make my nice Christmassy coffee, and then get to decorating. These are the two Christmas boxes that I need to get down, and they're so heavy. So this could be a bit of a struggle, but I'm gonna do my best. That's nice. My mugs are right on top. I don't have much for Christmas mugs actually. This is one that Cody had when I moved in. And then I thrifted this one, which I really love. I feel like it suits me really well. So lately I've just been doing brown sugar, regular milk, vanilla bean paste. It has to be the paste. And then I always add cinnamon to my coffee. And I'm very much so a hazelnut girl when it comes to coffee, or like pralines or pecan. I really like the nutty flavor. So I might give myself some kind of like Christmassy or nut flavored syrup. If anybody has any recommendations. I'm curious about gingerbread, but I'm not sure that I would like it enough to get a whole bottle. But so far when I'm at home, what I go for is brown sugar or maple syrup, and then always vanilla bean paste and the cinnamon. Okay, I was getting overstimulated, so I had to throw my hair up. But I found these. I made these 2 years ago, and I initially made them to put on the Christmas tree. But because we have 2 fireplace mantles this year, I think I'm gonna hang one or maybe both on one of the fireplace mantles. So this is my aesthetic this year. It's a little bit of Ralph Lauren Cozy Christmas mixed with a little bit of baby clutter. And I love my tiny home and I love my baby. This is just life right now. So it is now the next day. I did all that I could yesterday before nap was over and I had to go back into mom mode. So I put up the decorations that we have. I think I mentioned that around this time last year we were just moving in here. So I really didn't put up much for decorations. Also, I was five months pregnant. Just wanted to focus more on getting settled into the house and getting the baby's room ready. We did put up our tree, but we didn't put up much for decorations. So this is my first year kind of figuring out what all we have and where to place it. Thing out that I have this one corner in the kitchen that I did a nice little fall nook area, and I would like to do the same thing for Christmas, but I don't really have anything. So I put a picture up there, but I don't really have anything else to add. So I think next week when my sister and I go to the city, I think I'm gonna check out a thrift store, see if I can find anything for up there, or maybe check out a HomeSense and see if I can find anything to just fill that space. But other than that, I think I'm good for decorations. There's a lot of talk this year about a Ralph Lauren Christmas, and that's definitely my style. So it's very green, red, gold, and a lot of thrifted pieces, vintage looking pieces. So I'm really excited that I'm on trends with that. This year, there's a little bit of cluttery baby sprinkled throughout. It's really giving tiny house. And I definitely don't want to rush the stage of baby clutter, so I'm just trying to enjoy it all. Anyways, I found these cranberries at the grocery store. I've been seeing a lot of videos about soaking cranberries in orange juice and ginger ale and then coating them in like a powdered sugar. So I'm really excited to try that this morning. Tomorrow night, my mom and my sister and I are gonna go to a Christmas home tour. And then I think we're gonna try to do some family pictures this weekend, and we're gonna try to make it very Christmas themed. Unfortunately, the snow has melted, but that's okay because we're making it very comfy, cozy, homey Christmas in here. And I'm very happy about that.